All right, language explorers, let's look at this week's Thursday adverb. So about. About. It is about right. This book is about maths. I know some videos about science. I want to write some books about history. Yeah, whoops. Yeah, about history. Yeah, so about is concerning something or someone. So concerning about. Yeah, about. It is a book about science. We'll learn more about English. I am learning more about the Spanish language. Yes. How cool is that? I want more books about Spanish grammar. She needs to do a test about maths, really. He will teach about English vocabulary. Yeah. They will have a lecture about their future. It will be a book about finance. Yeah. This is a book about a mystery. This is a book about a mystery. Yeah. How cool is that? How cool is that? So, she learnt about coffee. She learnt about coffee. I like to learn about tea. Yes, tea. How cool is that? Tea. How cool is that? All the time, I learn more about the Spanish language. Yeah. I know more about Spanish language than I did say yesterday, last week, and last year. Yeah, I know more about it now. I know more about it now. Yes. How cool is that? I want to learn about the city of York. I want to know more about York. To know more about York, yeah. I was there in July. And I really liked it. I want to know more about the city's history. How cool is that, language explorers? About. So, can you use about in a sentence? Can you comment below with that sentence? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. How cool is that? And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram when you search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by looking for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.